Hello everyone, it's Friday, February the 17th, 2023. And I'm standing in front of the library down here on Spring Garden Road. Looking a little bit like rain, but right now not too bad. Our current temperature is 3 degrees and it's 12 o'clock noon. So let's get underway. We're just going to walk around downtown today, see what's going on. I forgot my umbrella, so I don't have any protection from the rain. So from time to time, I may have to duck into a bus shelter or underneath the canopy. But we'll do our best with what we have. And I'll have to learn my lesson next time. Remember my umbrella. All right, in here is dry. We'll try to stick to where it's dry when it's raining. And, well, the weekend's here again. I hope you're going to have a good weekend. I haven't got too much planned. I do plan to meet up with a friend of mine that I worked with up in Ontario. He's down here. So that's exciting. I gotta meet up with him. You can see some of the construction projects in the back here. We're not nearly that far along. Last time I was down here, I haven't been down in Spring Garden doing a video other than just a temporary or passing through or something. But that building is coming along really well. Beep, 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 beep. Well, we got a little bit of cover right here from the weather, the elements. That's good. Look, we got some of the glasses in there now. Look at that. Well, some of the windows are going in today. It's going to look nice when it's finished. Very, very nice indeed. For sure. Going to look very nice. How you doing?
Good, how are you? Videos?
I can't complain.
Oh, good for you.
Yeah, still making videos.
Oh, really?
Yep.
That's good.
I have over 1,000 subscribers now.
Oh, well,
Yeah.
that's good.
Making a little bit of money.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
I got a YouTube channel, too.
Do you? What do you do on there?
Well, I do nothing, but, I had to make it because a long time ago I went on the web, and it was porn. So I had to, no, I don't watch it.
Yeah.
I just wanted to, see about it because somebody told me about it.
Oh,
But I
yeah.
had to make a YouTube channel just to do it,
Yeah.
right? But somebody told me about it, but I wanted to see what it was like.
Oh, there's all kinds of stuff on there.
But that's disgusting.
I just make videos about the city and
So all I do is on YouTube is just nothing. Actually, I just go on there and watch.
You can like anything you want to know. You can look it up on YouTube.
Yeah, but I created videos on Randy Orton, the wrestler.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, I created them, but I don't know if anybody liked them or not.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe.
Yeah, that's good, isn't it?
Yeah. If you get once you get 1,000 subscribers, you make money.
Well, yeah, that's good for you.
Yeah.
Honey.
You don't make much, but enough to buy coffee.
Oh, well, yeah.
Yeah.
That's coffee.
That's something, right?
Yeah.
Yep. Well,
Yeah.
you take care.
Yeah, you too, darling.
I got to keep moving along.
Oh,
and,
okay, honey.
Yep.
You report.
Talk to you.
All right.
All right. Back to Spring Garden Road, and then we'll go cover some other areas in downtown as well. It's just kind of sprinkled a little right now. It's not raining hardly at all, which is good. And I'm going to just stand right here for a minute, and we'll see what direction we want to go in. Whoa, my directions changed all by itself. There we go. All right, we will see where we want to go today. I might take a walk up Barrington, maybe. We'll see. As this goes along, we'll see which direction we want to go in. All right. Let's go back this way. Because I want to go up Barrington and maybe some streets up that way. So the weekend is almost here, a few more hours, and everybody will be off work, and the weekend will be here again, and it all goes much too fast. The weekend goes too fast. First thing you know, you're back to work again on Monday, and well, not me, but my wife will be, and my son. They're still working, but I'm retired. I can do whatever I want to do now. Well, we try to brave the rain as much as possible here today. Try to stay in out of the water as much as possible, and hopefully we can make a video in spite of not having my umbrella with me. I wish I would have thought of it. It was in the car too, but I got right out of the car and I left. The car is over home now. It's not here, so I can't just go to the car and get my umbrella because it's across the harbor and I'm on this side. Kind of a dark day today. Yeah, I haven't done one right downtown here for a while. It's supposed to rain hard today, and we're supposed to get freezing rain later and ice pellets, and then it's going to turn to snow tomorrow or something like that. So that's it. That's what the outlook is for this weekend. Whoa, we hit the curb. Oh well. It comes and goes, like it's not too bad at the moment. And then you'll get a little sprinkle of rain again, and then it'll stop. So if it just holds off enough for me to do a video today, that would be really nice. I'll talk to the weatherman, see if he'll hold off on the rain. I really should have brought my umbrella, but what can I do, right? I forgot it. Can't do much about it now, so. This is an eyesore now. This is the old library, and it don't look very good anymore. It's an old, ugly looking building now. Hopefully they'll tear it down or do something with it. Refurbish it in some way, make it look better, and do something with it. Because it don't look very good right now in this beautiful, beautiful city we have here. It's really nice, beautiful, but there's some buildings that need something done with them, and that's one of them. You'll see it from here, what it looks like. It looks terrible. It's in bad condition. Needs something done. Hopefully they'll do something with that before long. Well, I'm on Grafton Street right here. I'm just walking across Grafton. And up ahead you'll see Rogers Square. I might just go through there, get a little break from the elements. This is Friday at noon, and you'd think it'd be like really busy, right? Friday, anytime afternoon, people are getting off work. A lot of people gets off at noon. Some gets off at 3, 4. But it's not so busy right here, right? This is one of the bar streets in the summertime, but in the wintertime it's not so busy. And there's the Residence Inn, a nice place to go if you're coming to a sporting event at the Rogers Center. There are the hockey games or anything like that. You can stay here. There's also a Residence Inn too. I think they rent rooms by the month there too as well. So, but it's really handy. It's right downtown, and it's right beside Rogers Square, and then just a step over to the stadium. Oh, they're a little late with the sign there. Happy Valentine's hanging up there. It's past Valentine's Day now. It's well past Valentine's. Well, we'll walk through here. Haven't come through here for a while. Haven't been through the Rogers Center for a while. The walkway through here, great when it's raining, because you get a little break from the elements when you come through here. It's all about Valentine's Day, but Valentine's Day is gone. It's past. That was the 14th, this is the 17th. The Halifax Convention Center right there. In the North Tower, let's add. And there's your sign, North Tower. Okay. Well, we're out of there. Hopefully it's not raining too much and I can stay dry, keep my phone dry. That's the biggest concern. Well, let's go down to Barrington Street and walk across that way. It's a little breezy once I got around the corner here. And it's a little more rainy too. La French fix. Croissants and macaroons, all that stuff. All right, we'll go right down to Barrington Street. The best way from here, I think. There's a kind of a beautiful looking building right there. I like those older buildings that have been refurbished and they look nice. All right, we're about halfway up Barrington already, so we might as well go the rest of the way. There's a new building that's going to be coming up before long is the press block area, and they've probably named it the press block, the new one as well. And they've saved a couple of the walls from the old buildings, and they're going to incorporate it into the new one. As you can see right there, 2 walls, and the rest has been torn down. So I'm gonna cross right here. Crosswalk. Got a crosswalk right here, so might as well cross, right? Alright. I'm going down George Street towards the water. Well, so far the rain's holding off pretty good. We're getting a little bit, but I think I'll be able to make this video because without getting too wet. Seems that way unless it changes. But so far so good. Now my friend on YouTube who asked me the other day how to get to the waterfront. Now, if this is any help, I explained it, but maybe it was hard to explain, so I'm just going to walk it, and then you'll see how to get there. If you come down George Street, you can take George or Duke, or any such street like that. You can come down here, and you'll be on Water Street. When you come down Duke, you're at the start of Upper and Lower Water Street. Here you're at, I think it's Lower Water Street right here. And you see that new building right there? Just walk right down about halfway down it, and there's a walkway right through the building. And we'll do that right now so you'll be able to see where it is. Okay? We're gonna walk right through. I'm gonna take this walk sign. I got a walk signal, might as well go. And we'll walk right through that building the way to the waterfront. But some people don't know. They come down here and they look all around and they see Tim Hortons and stuff, but they don't really know where the waterfront is. So, That's where we're going to go right now. I'm going to show you how close you are to the boardwalk and the waterfront when you're right here at Tim Hortons. There's Tim Hortons. Okay? We'll go across the crosswalk and we'll walk right down to the spot I'm talking about, where you can go through the building, which I think is pretty cool because to be able to walk right through a building, that's kind of neat. Something they've done to this new structure when it went up. This is the Stewart McKinley law offices here. But there's other stuff. All this down outside right here is a cafe. Cafe Lunette looks like a nice place. Haven't been in there, but one day, maybe. And then you got an Italian place right here. And then you got Swanky Burger. And then you got Piece by Chocolate. Well, chocolate's really nice. They can sell all kinds of nice stuff in there. We bought some chocolate in there before. Now, look, right after the chocolate shop on the peace sign, you'll see an opening to the building right here. Okay? You just go through this building. You want to see some of the beautiful chocolate packages they got here and stuff. Look at this, Piece by Chocolate, Syrian family tradition. And all different kinds of Piece by Chocolate, Syrian family. Okay, yeah. All right, so I'll go right through here. It's a little windy. I might not go too far through here because it is kind of windy. And sometimes this acts as a wind tunnel in here because you got buildings on three sides. And it will get the wind whipping around here sometimes. Okay, it's very quiet right now. In the summertime, it's bustling with tourists. But right now, it's quiet. And there's the stairs that goes up to have a good look out over the water, which I'm not going to do today because I know it'd be windy up there. No, not going to do that today. I'm just going to show you how to get to the boardwalk. We're almost there. You go through this building, and then you go through one more building. It's all part of the same building. We're like in a little open area between three sides. And of course the water is out that way. So we're just gonna walk over here and go through the other part of the building, and we will then be at the Halifax Waterfront. Okay, through this building. And there you are, boardwalk. And it's very windy here right now. And there's no tourists in here because this is winter time and it's cold. And windy. But this is the boardwalk right here. It starts right here. All the way down through. And in the summertime it's filled with tourists, but there's not a lot of sea down here right now. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna walk out on the street this way. We can go right out through here and back out onto Water Street again and make our way up wherever I want to go. It's kind of cold and windy out here, so this probably won't be a super long video. I just wanted to get out of the house, I guess, today. What better way to get out of the house than get out and make a video, right? I love making videos. It's my passion. One of my favorite buildings in downtown Halifax is right there. Isn't that beautiful? Looks like old British feel to it. And that store must be doing good because that store was there when we came here almost 5 years ago. That store was right there. Just look at the building, the design of that, eh? Isn't that great? I love it. If anybody wants to see that building, let's see, how can I describe it? Just past the big glass building, the new building right there. It's right there. When I go up the street, I'll tell you what street that's called. All right, and this is Water Street down here, Lower Water, right here. There's Lower Water Street. So it's on Lower Water, just down the street, about a block from Tim Hortons. And you'll see this wonderful structure right here, this beautiful building. Strange Adventures, they sell all kinds of, stuff like that. These pop figures and all kinds of different things like that.
Yeah, how you doing?
This is Prince Street, because I got 5112 Prince Street. Okay, there you go, Prince Street. So if you're on Barrington, you just take Prince Street down to find that beautiful building, and you can keep right on through the parking lot, and you'll be on the waterfront. Simple as that. McKelvey's Delights. Fishes dishes. I like that. Fishes dishes. A fish dish. And we're on Bedford Road, a street that I don't walk on all that much, but maybe we'll just take a walk down there, okay? That way there's not much to see, because there's some construction going on right there, and it's not that much to see up there. But we'll go this way. There's another beautiful old building right there down here. Downtown Halifax has got a lot of these beautiful, beautiful structures like this. The old triangle, the old triangle. It's like a triangle, but there's knots in it, triangle. Well, I like that, okay? Let's look way up the top there and see what it looks like. Isn't that nice? The old triangle. Guess it's a restaurant in there. Fish food, more than likely. Seafood. All right, that is a beautiful building. There's some great looking buildings downtown Halifax. You just gotta come here on a nice day when it's beautiful and warm and sunny, and just walk around and look at these. Even today, it's not that bad. Not too bad a day to walk around and look at that. It's so beautiful. Love it. I love old buildings and what they look like. Then that one there is a modern type of a building, not so exciting, but the old buildings, I find them very exciting. Founder Square. I'm not sure what's in Founder Square, but probably an office tower or something like that. Well, I think I'm on Hollis Street right now, I think. But I could be wrong. We'll see when I get up to the sign, if it is indeed Hollis Street or if it's something else. The urban market. And there's a tall condo tower right there. I'm not sure where this is. No, this is not Hollis Street. Hollis Street's the next one up. You want to go up there? Okay. I got to make this video stretch out a little bit. We're close to half an hour, but we'll go a little bit more. And the rain's holding off. There's a little tiny bit of rain in the air, but not enough. It's not even accumulating on my phone, so that's good. Arthur's Urban Market. I get these urban markets all over the place here. Yeah, this is Hollis Street up here. Right there. Sometimes I get my streets a little mixed up, but this is Hollis Street, one street up from that one. Okay. Hollis Street right here. Some condos in the background. Let's go this way. Oh, it's much warmer right here. I got out of the wind, because the wind's not blowing from the north as much as it is from the east or west, that direction. Okay, my battery's about to run out because I was using it before. So, there we go. So I'm going to end this video because I used my phone a bit before and I ran my battery down some. I should have charged it up a little more, but anyways, that's okay. I think we're about 30 minutes this video today. So I'm on the corner of Hollis and Prince, and we'll just end it right here. I hope you enjoyed walking around down here today in the rain with me. And if you did, push that like sign, and that will be great. And if you're not yet a subscriber, I'd love it if you become a subscriber. And with that, many thanks to those who have subscribed to this channel. You made my dream come true by getting my 1,000 subscribers. Now on the monetized system of YouTube. Very thankful for that. So everybody that helped, glad you did, and thank you so much. Now with that, you have a wonderful day. Take care, be safe, and I'll see you all on the next video. Bye for now.